Okay, here we are leaving our house in Cape Canaveral and making a very quick trip to the boat. Normally it takes us about 10 minutes, 15 if we hit a light or two. Anyway, we would park beside the boat here and go on up. And today we are going to start cleaning out the equipment room and getting it all clean. There was a lot of junk. You can see the wire and the hoses, and we were stripping out all the wires from the boat. You can actually see our temporary battery there back behind me, and you can also on the right side of the screen you can just barely see into the engine room. We've already done some painting in there, and then on the left side there's obviously the tool chest there, and then there's also the storage room where eventually fuel tanks are already there, but eventually the waste tanks will go in there and we'll also store stuff. So here the paint was actually in pretty good shape in most of these. I mean, little spots of rust here and there. In some places we completely stripped the paint, but for the most part it was just roughing it up and getting the grease and the dirt and everything out.
Getting ready to paint part of the bilge. We finished cleaning it this morning with acetate. We're ready to paint.
I think here we're using Total Boats polyurethane bilge paint, and it overall seems to have done a pretty good job. It becomes kind of dirty. It doesn't seem to, you can't really scrub it back clean to get back to that brilliant white. So that's my only issue with it. It doesn't stay clean as what I'd like it. So we finished painting in here, at least the first coat. So here's how that looks. And in about 2 to 4 hours, we'll do the second coat, which will be silver, and then we have a third coat, which is a bilge white paint. Well, get ready to start the second coat. So here's what it looks like after the first coat. And we're in the room. So in here, I believe at this time, we were using Rust Lock. We have since switched to Rust Grip, which is the petite product, mainly because it has better water capabilities. So here's after the second coat. Came out pretty good. Now we'll have to do the finished layer, which we'll use a bilge paint to go on top of 2 layers of polyurethane.